Traders, good day to you. It's September 14, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Friday. Going to create a few tutorials into the weekend and maybe one or two throughout the weekend. Keep your eyes on trading tutorial updates. Visit the site, thetradingteacher.com. Go into the trading reports section. So I'm going to do another update on NNSR. You know, I haven't reported this week much in general. It's just crazy things been going on, from not feeling well to my birthday, and just been really busy. But I'm going to do some updates throughout this weekend, so keep your eye on my posts. So NNSR, I had actually an individual come up to me. He's one of my followers on Twitter, and you know, from time to time, the individual asked me questions about stocks and everything. And he got into NNSR, and the individual came up to me, actually direct messaged me around 0.0165, 0.017, and I've been trying to tweak his trading behavior since he started communicating with myself, and it seems like he's been doing really well, and I'm happy for him. And he spotted this top at 0.0, I think 17, 165, somewhere around there. And I believe it was September 11th, somewhere around here. And I told him, you know what, it's a little too early, or maybe it was September 13th. I don't remember the exact date. I told him it was a little too early to know exactly what you wanted to do. Then yesterday came into play. And I'll show you what it looks like on the 60-minute, which caught my eye. So he reached out to me, direct messaged me somewhere around here. I know it's around the 17 mark, maybe 165 mark. So he actually saw the top. For me, you know, I can't really see the top clearly. Sometimes I need an extra day to see it, let it play out. The last thing I want to do is cash out too soon and it pops. So I figured she needs some more time to play. But he saw this at the top, he direct messaged me, and I stated, hey, it's a little too soon, we have to give it some time to play out. I stated that there was support resistance on Twitter from 0.012 to around 0.016, I believe 163, somewhere around there. So I knew it was in the trading range. But what got my attention after was this bar right here. Sorry, let me show you. Was this bar right here. Even though this long shadow, that had a long shadow and showing support at this level, it was just showing more sellers coming in, more sellers coming in. Even though we went up here, gained support, then you saw other signals like a spinning top at the top, which stated, hey, you know what? She might be heading lower. Okay, I did cash out. Okay, I cashed out around one. It was average prices. I had orders popped up from 0.0147 to like 0.016, and I only got out half my position. I didn't get out everything because I always say take half if you want to let the others ride. At least capture your profits, right? I got in about a little over half a penny. I think it was around 0.0055. So I sold half of it. Not bad. Okay. I noticed that, and that's why I pulled the trigger and sold half, and I held the other half in case. What happened was I had a buy order at 0.011, and it filled me, and she went right back up. But at the end, she got a little dangerous over here, the last 10 minutes right here, and formed, let me see. Sorry, I just want to show you the correct on what I'm looking at. And form, you see this upside down hammer? You got, I want to say high volume, mediocre, but you notice how it's not at the top, right? It's pretty much in the middle. Okay. What I believe is going to happen, she's going to be in a trading range. If she doesn't explode coming in early next week, Monday, Tuesday, I think a trading range is going to develop. the trading range will look something like this, in my opinion. So keep your eye on NNSR. Let's see if it does this. Let me get the, where's that, the doodle. All right, so we had something like this. Then with tomorrow, we might have the stock drop real quick, drop back up, and then next day it could go up like this. Oops, go up like this, go down, and then same thing. So it's just constant, you know. Oh, sorry. Didn't want to do that. Let me just get out of the drawing. Spread it out further. And let's go back into the drawing mode. So then it would, you know, just back and forth. So you're looking at like this, and then next day it would be like this, then like this, then like this, then like this. And as, you know, as it continues, my take is she will head higher. So what we can see next week, if it doesn't go up right off the back and consolidates and trades sideways for quite a while, we can see NNSR, and individuals should pay attention who is trying to get long NNSR at a higher price. This might be an opportunity for you guys. Oh wait, that's a little too cluttery. Oops. I hate the drawing mode, always messes things up. Let's go back into the weekly, and well, let's remove all these lines. Okay. All right, now let's back up again. So where she could go, let me put the horizontal. My apologies, but I'm trying to organize this for you guys. She can reach around, I want to say around 0.007. Okay, so if you guys are trying to get into the stock next week and you wanted to get in, but the price was, you know, it exploded, you know, you shouldn't chase a stock. Wait, or try to wait for it to come down for you to grab it, or just find something else. Never chase something that already went up, you know, 2 to 3 times. I got in 5.5. It went to as 0.017. So that's about, you know, 3 times of the total investment. Just about, maybe a little more, a little less. But anyway, you have an opportunity if it does happen and she doesn't go up Monday or Tuesday, the explosion. I believe you can pick her up sometime throughout the week. I want to say early in the week, because what happens is she'll drop, and then towards the end of the week, buyers are going to step in and try to force her back up. So you can possibly get her around 7/10 of a penny, 8/10 of a penny, maybe a couple of ticks lower than 7/10 of a penny, if there's no news-related stuff that will make her explode going next week. So keep your eyes on NNSR. If you guys noticed that it's getting more volatile, right? It was trading in tighter ranges when it was at the half a penny mark, but the volatility, I mean, there, you know, the spread is still there. The volatility as far as the spread is not extreme, but you don't see crazy amount of shares at different prices like you would when it was around, like, you know, 3/10 of a penny, 4/10 of a penny, half of a penny. So keep your eyes on NNSR. We could see a quick dip for individuals that's trying to get in, and I believe she will trail up continuously, but it seems like it's going to do some choppy trading for quite a bit, maybe until amazing news from Green Zebra and NNSR for her to explode and head higher. Once again, my name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for more trading reports and review our live trading course if you like to take a course that's interactive when it comes to learning how to understand the trading language.